In today's video, we will walk you through how to get started with Kinsta's WordPress hosting platform. Whether you're new to hosting or switching from another provider, this step-by-step guide will show you how easy it is to launch your WordPress site with Kinsta. So let's go ahead and get started. What is Kinsta? Kinsta is a managed WordPress hosting provider that stands out for its speed, security, and simplicity. It's built on the Google Cloud platform and uses its premium tier network, which ensures that your site will load quickly and stay secure. Kinsta boasts 30 plus global data centers, ensuring that you can choose a server location close to your visitors for optimal performance. Why choose Kinsta for WordPress hosting? There are many hosting options available, but Kinsta is designed specifically for WordPress users, providing speed, reliability, and dedicated resources that ensure your website runs smoothly. One of the standout features of Kinsta is its infrastructure, built on the Google Cloud platform. Kinsta's user-friendly dashboard makes managing your sites incredibly simple. The My Kinsta dashboard provides features such as easy staging environments for testing changes, built-in application performance monitoring, tools to debug performance issues, and advanced security features like enterprise-level DDoS protection and an integrated Cloudflare firewall. Before you get started, let's take a quick look at Kinsta's pricing. Kinsta offers several plans to fit different needs and budgets, and here's a quick breakdown of their most popular plans. There's a starter plan for $35 per month for one website, 2 PHP workers, 50 gigabytes CDN, and about 25,000 monthly visits. The Pro plan is $70 per month for 2 websites, 4 PHP workers, 100 gigabytes CDN, and 50,000 monthly visits. And then the agency plan starts at $284 per month. And for those who need more than that, there is the agency plan starting at $284 per month. Kinsta's pricing might seem higher than some other hosting providers, but remember that you're getting dedicated resources, which means better performance, stability, and uptime. If you have a larger site, need more traffic capacity, or have an agency managing multiple sites, Kinsta also offers business and enterprise plans with advanced features. Now let's dive into the steps for setting up your Kinsta account and getting your WordPress site online. Step 1, choose your hosting plan. Click the link down in the description below and click on the View Plans button. So we'll go ahead and get started here with the starter plan. So I'll go ahead and click on sign up and fill in the information here. Once you've gone ahead and filled out your name and email and created a password, we'll go ahead and click continue. Next, it's going to ask for your billing information. And once you have your billing information filled out, go ahead and click on continue. One last confirmation page here. We'll go ahead, click on pay and continue. And now we are signed up with Kinsta. So after signing up, you'll be directed to your My Kinsta dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your website. So over here on the left-hand side, we'll go to WordPress sites. Go ahead and click on that, and we'll go ahead and click on create a site. For this example, we'll go ahead and install WordPress. So we'll go ahead and select that, click continue. So it's going to ask you to come up with a site name and then choose a data center location. I'm going to go ahead and select Los Angeles and continue. Next, it's going to ask for my WordPress site title, and this appears across the top of every page of the site, and you can always change this later. We'll go ahead and just call this my first website, and we'll go ahead and just select these 3 boxes here: the install WooCommerce, install Yoast SEO, and install Easy Digital Downloads. Now, depending on the type of website that you're creating, you may or may not want to check those boxes. And we'll go ahead and click on continue. Next, you'll need to configure your WordPress site, and here's what you'll need to do. Site name. Choose a name for your website. Data center location. Pick a data center closest to your target audience. Kinsta offers data centers all over the world, from the US to Europe and Asia. WordPress installation. Kinsta offers an automatic WordPress installation, which is the easiest option. Simply check the install WordPress box and Kinsta will take care of the rest. If you're creating an e-commerce website, then you can also install WooCommerce during this step by checking the appropriate box. Now, once everything is set, go ahead, click add site and let Kinsta do its thing. Usually takes just a few minutes for your site to be fully set up. Now that your WordPress site is ready, it's time to link your domain name. Since Kinsta doesn't provide domain registration services, you'll need to buy your domain from a registrar like Namecheap or GoDaddy. Here's how to link your domain to Kinsta. Get your Kinsta site IP. From the My Kinsta dashboard, navigate to the Domains tab of your site. Copy your site's IP address. Add DNS records. Log in to your domain registrar like Namecheap or GoDaddy. Then go to the Advanced DNS section and and add in a record pointing to your site's IP address. Verify your domain. Once you've added the DNS records, go back to the Kinsta dashboard and click Domains. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the DNS changes to propagate. Next up is securing your site with an SSL certificate. SSL certificates are crucial because they encrypt data between your website and visitors, providing a secure connection. In your My Kinsta dashboard, click on Tools and scroll to the SSL section. Select Generate Free SSL Certificate and wait for Kinsta to install the certificate. After the SSL is installed, enable HTTPS for your site and ensure all traffic is secure. Now that your domain is linked and your site is secure, it's time to start building your WordPress website. Here's how to get started. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and open up our WordPress admin dashboard by clicking this button right here. Once we're here in your WordPress dashboard, we're going to go to Appearance here and click on Themes. Here we can go up to the top and add a new theme. And here we can go ahead and filter through some different themes. There's popular, latest, block themes, and favorites. Let's go ahead and just pick the Astra theme, as this is a very popular theme to use. So we'll go ahead, click install and activate. So now we have the Astra theme as our theme. Now there are thousands of free and premium themes to choose from, but a good starting point is going to be the Astra theme, which works well with the drag and drop page builders. Next, you want to install some essential plugins to enhance your site's functionality. For example, you might want a contact form plugin like WP Forms, an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO, and a page builder like Elementor or Brizzy. So we can come over here to plugins, and we already have WooCommerce installed as well as Yoast SEO. But let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and click up to the top here to add new plugin, and we'll go ahead and look for WP Forms. Go ahead, click install now, and we'll go ahead and look for Elementor and click install now. And then we'll come here to installed plugins and we'll go ahead and activate Elementor. We'll go ahead and activate WooCommerce, and we'll skip that guided setup for now. And we'll go ahead and activate the WP Forms plugin. So now we have all those plugins installed and activated. Next, we're going to customize our page. So we'll go ahead and just create a homepage here using Elementor. So we're going to come over here to the Elementor tab and we'll go ahead and click on create a page. So Elementor makes it really easy to customize your theme in your website with its drag and drop editor. So we'll go ahead and just start creating a homepage here. So we'll start with a container, and here we can go ahead and change this background color. We'll go ahead and just make that black so it stands out. We'll go ahead and add a heading in there. And the way that we can go ahead and make changes to any piece of this website is using the editor over here on this side. So we'll go ahead and select everything. We'll click on style. We'll click center alignment. For text stroke, we'll go ahead and leave that as it is. And we'll go ahead and make that a little bit bigger. We'll go ahead and just add some other elements here just so you can see how easy it is to use Elementor. Maybe we'll use a button here for them to get in touch with. We can go ahead and add a little bit of a radius so that the corners of that box are a little bigger here. And we'll go ahead and add a WP Forms here. Go ahead, click on that to get started. And we'll just add a simple contact form. So we'll go ahead and click use template, save. And now we have a brief little homepage that we built with Elementor. Obviously, you're going to want to make your website look a lot better than this, but this was just a quick little tutorial showing you how easy it is to use the Elementor page builder. Kinsta is optimized for WordPress, but you can still make a few tweaks to ensure that your site runs at peak performance. Caching. Kinsta offers built-in caching at the server level, so you don't need to install any third-party caching plugins. However, you can manually clear your cache through the My Kinsta dashboard if needed. Content Delivery Network, or CDN. Kinsta includes a free CDN with all plans. The CDN will help speed up your site by delivering content from the closest data center to your visitor. Image optimization. Large images can slow down your site, so use an image optimization tool like ShortPixel or Imagify to compress your images without losing quality. Once your site is up and running, Kinsta provides detailed analytics so that you can monitor performance. From the My Kinsta dashboard, you can track things like visitor response time, PHP worker usage, and if you find that your site is growing and requires more resources, Kinsta makes it easy to upgrade your plan directly from the dashboard. Are you ready to give Kinsta a try? Here's a few reasons reasons why you should get started today. Currently, they're having a limited time offer, and you can get the first $20 on us when you sign up for Kinsta's application hosting or database hosting. 2 months free. For a limited time, you can get 2 months of free hosting when you pay annually. There's also a nonprofit discount. So if you're running a nonprofit organization, you're eligible for a 15% discount on any Kinsta plan. 30-day risk-free trial. Try Kinsta risk-free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, cancel at any time. There are no long-term contracts. Unlimited free migrations. Kinsta offers unlimited free migrations from selected hosts, so moving your site to Kinsta is hassle-free. Check out the link in the description to explore Kinsta's hosting plans and find the perfect solution for your website. And that's it. You've successfully set up and launched your WordPress website using Kinsta. With Kinsta's managed hosting, you'll enjoy fast speeds, top-tier security, and expert support. So whether you're just starting out or you're looking to scale your site, Kinsta provides the tools and features to grow your online presence effortlessly. If you want to get started with Kinsta's hosting platform or any of the services that we covered today, you'll find links down in the description below. These are affiliate links, meaning that we do earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video from us. Here on this channel, we make videos talking about how to create your first website, exploring different hosting platforms like Kinsta, reviewing website builders, and so much more. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.